Because of a team of automotive professionals, innovative technology, and a spider graph sweet spot, the new Lucid Air has outperformed its predecessor in terms of range, luxurious fit and finish, and enough technology to satisfy even the most picky customers. Not only are the customers pleased, but the company's investors are as well, as the business closed September trading with a favorable trend and a number of positive announcements. Today's video will address LCID being the most talked about topic on forums, followed by the events that occurred in September which generated a favorable trend, and finally, the October catalyst for LCID. Stay tuned for that. Welcome back to NewVehicleMedia, your go-to channel for EV stock. Quick reminder that subscribing is free and liking the video helps YouTube suggest similar content. Comments are loved and featured in our upcoming videos. After taking a significant stride forward in its corporate roadmap, Lucid Motors brought the race for electric vehicles to a finale during the last week of September 2021. Its position against longtime opponent Tesla is stronger than ever as the business prepares to launch its first automobiles. Of course, the company's most recent news is causing gains and some of the most intense excitement for LCID stock that the firm has seen in a long time. It was Lucid Group that topped the list of most discussed company stocks on the Wall Street Bets forum in the last week of September. It was followed by Tesla, the metals business TMC, Palantir Technologies, and Camber Energy, all companies that have received a great deal of attention in the last few days of September. As of press time, the exchange-traded fund SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust was receiving the most attention on the forum, garnering 559 mentions, while electric vehicle manufacturer Lucid was a distant second, receiving 169 mentions. Tesla, the electric vehicle manufacturer, and TMC, the metals company, a deep-sea mining startup, are in third and fourth place respectively, after receiving 112 and 101 mentions. Lucid's announcement that it has begun manufacture of its electric vehicles at its Arizona factory and that sales of the Lucid Air premium electric sedan will begin in late October 2021 sparked a flurry of interest. Due to the fact that it does not have automobiles on the road, Lucid always trails Tesla. With Tesla having been building proven and elegant vehicles for years, it's understandably difficult to compete as a concept firm in this market. Fortunately for LCID investors, this is about to change by the end of October 2021. The corporation is finally allowing its product to hit the streets on a large basis commercially. That event week marks the beginning of what has turned out to be a monumental last week of September for Lucid Motors. The business has even dubbed the week Production Preview Week in honor of it. For this, it was more than just a view inside the facility. The company was also making significant statements about the current condition of production. LCID September performance. Lucid Motors has been on a blitz since the beginning of September. Indeed, the roughly 40% increase in the value of LCID stock that investors have witnessed since the end of August is notable, particularly when investors consider how far this company has fallen from its earlier highs in the current year. For investors in LCID stock, it looks that the tide has finally turned in their favor. This luxury electric vehicle manufacturer is aiming its guns at the market that is now controlled by rival Tesla. Its high-priced, high-performance electric vehicles have piqued the imagination of EV enthusiasts looking for a more affordable alternative to the Tesla Model S. As it turns out, the anticipation of a forthcoming public debut of Lucid automobiles is helping to restore optimistic sentiment to the LCID stock. As we previously noted, Lucid Motors' Production Preview Week event has attracted a great deal of interest among the automotive press. September month, on the other hand, has proven to be significant for a number of reasons. For instance, deliveries will commence at the end of October. Therefore, investors who have made deposits now have a clear understanding of when they may expect to start getting their automobiles. Additionally, the business stated that it had received more than 13,000 reservations for its Lucid Air model within the same time period, Also revealed was an increase in the total number of Lucid Air Dream Edition models available by year-end 2021 to 520. Furthermore, this model was reported in September having the longest EPA range of any EV at 520 miles. The first customer-quality electric vehicles went off the production line on Tuesday, September 28th, indicating that deliveries may be completed sooner than anticipated. Test drives of the Lucid Air were a big hit during September, with people from all walks of life taking advantage of the opportunity to get behind the wheel. Catalyst position for LCID. Following a press statement from the Lucid camp, LCID stockholders have been extremely enthusiastic about the company's future prospects. A Lucid representative presented an update on delivery status after attendees were able to observe the first customer Air Dream Editions roll off the assembly line. Clients will be pleased to know that automobiles will begin delivering to customers in late October. Lucid is in an extremely fascinating position going into the new year as a result of this statement. It will be the first year that the company will be in full-time production. Furthermore, it will be the first time that the majority of people would have the opportunity to see a Lucid in person. The company's battle with Tesla becomes more tangible as a result of this. There's no doubt about that. Given the high level of interest in LCID stock currently, it appears that investors are on the same page. The stock has risen by more than 11% as a result of the announcement. Furthermore, it is trading at a significantly higher volume than usual, with 52 million shares of LCID changing hands in the first few minutes of trading. This figure stands in stark contrast to the stock's daily average volume of 22 million shares. The conclusion. During the event, when people were talking about the Air sedan, there was a glint in their eyes, and conversations were frequently cut short due to time limits, because everyone could talk about Lucid's path and future potential for the rest of the day if they wanted to. And that speaks volumes about the company's culture, as well as the team's ability to have gone to hell and back together in a short period of time. It is a group that is only now beginning to reap the benefits of its extraordinarily productive labor. Founded more than a decade ago, the Lucid team has successfully established a company ethos that encourages innovation and technological advancement in order to attain high-end luxury quality. It has not only provided inspiration to the rest of the team, but it has also given them a level of flexibility to be innovative in order to achieve Lucid's design and manufacturing objectives. Even while Lucid still has a long way to go before it becomes a household name, the groundwork has already been laid. The Dream Edition's 520-mile range and 1,111 horsepower should also be beneficial. While waiting for the Air to be delivered, the corporation and its employees are working around the clock to deliver the Gravity SUV next. Despite this, they're already looking 3, 5, and 10 years into the future. It's a great monument to how well prepared the team is for a long-term future in the area of electric car technology. I'm curious to know what you think about Lucid's current position. Do you believe they're in control of the situation? When it comes to capitalizing on the current momentum, how well is LCID prepared? Leave a comment to let us know what you think. In Maverick 46's opinion, the worldwide transition towards renewable energy is the wider picture, and gaining efficiency when going from point A to point B is a vital component of the larger goal. And Lucid is establishing a high standard for the rest of the industry. That should wrap things up for today. Keep in mind that subscribing's still free, and liking helps YouTube recognize your preferences. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.